My bees have just about cleaned out these supers from dead outs, hive bodies and what have you. They just about cleaned them all out. They're still working on this one over here that I put out yesterday. There's a little cluster of them right there. Now these girls are doing a good job. If you look right here, you can see they've pretty much taken out whatever's there, and they're working on the last bit there, trying to get whatever honey they can. And this guy's looking around, looking for something else. And there's another one here. Yeah, they're still cleaning these out. This is pretty much done though. These here, pretty much done. I'll tell you, I'm tired of dead outs and getting tired of bees. I'm really considering just quitting because it's been too hard. Lost that one more yesterday. I don't know where I posted about that or not, but didn't make it through the winter. On the other hand, the three that are left, I went into them and looked pretty good. I did see them making them a lot of pollen, bringing it in from somewhere. And we got these 4 warm days, and so I'll go over here and see what's going on. See what's going on today. Yesterday they were doing orientation flights big time, and I see some of that going on today in all 3 hives. As I look right here now, I'm gonna go turn off the electric fence because I don't like at all getting stung by the electric fence. So yeah, I do that. But let's walk over here. Now yesterday there was one of them took after me for a while. Got in my hair. Yes, she did. But yeah, they're bringing in pollen again today. You can see right there. They're doing it. Look at that big old pile of pollen just came in just now. And they're kind of dragging a dead one out, or one that doesn't belong. Little stray one maybe, I don't know where it's alive or dead, but they're getting rid of it anyway. They don't like it. That might have been one from them dead out over here yesterday. So, yeah, they get tired of having all that. And like me, they just want to quit with it. Just get rid of them bees. Come try to rob them out. Not any robbing going on today, really. Everything's pretty calm. This one here is doing all right, too. They've been bringing out a bunch of trash. Carrying that out, yeah. There's pollen coming in there, too. Did you see that? Let's get them zoom in a little bit if I can. See if we can see any pollen coming in there. Do you see any pollen coming in? I don't know. I'm watching. I saw some a minute ago. It's hard to tell. I'm trying to look at the camera. Try to hold the camera still. But yeah, there's a bit of it going on there, carrying trash out and kind of doing the orientation flights, a few of them, and a bunch of trash there from, well, I think it's leftover pollen patty that they didn't like. It dried out or something. Let's take one more look at this one down here. Yeah, they've been bringing some trash out too. Let's see if I can get down here and see if we see any pollen coming in. Yep, there's some right there. That girl taking her time. So I'm down to 3 hives. Now I ain't saying that I won't make some splits and try to sell off some bees, but I'm not gonna try to keep more than 2 or 3 hives, I don't think, anymore. I got too old. Yeah, there's some more pollen coming in just now. Look at that. A lot of pollen coming in. I don't know where they're coming from. Some ornamentals somewhere, I guess. So, but they're working it. And if you notice, they've hauled out a dead bee there. It's just sitting on the porch. But they're busy. Now, next couple of days is probably gonna rain. That may slow that down until our big red maple comes in at the end of the month, end of February. Let's get up here. It's a pretty day today though. I've been trying to clean some stuff up. There's lots of stuff to clean around here. Got stuff to move and put away. Try to redo this porch here. I want to move that whole building over about 8 feet, I think. I kind of like it. I moved the old lawnmower over there that was sitting here so I can get my truck back up and unload all this wood, because I need to do that. Yeah, first I thought I could save them, and I bought about 20 packages, and that didn't work. So I bought another, looks like I got another 8 of them right there. And they apparently died out too. So I'm sorry I didn't keep up with them, because I don't know what to do. And so I'm considering just quitting. Just quit, because I got all this stuff sitting here. Got a whole porch full up there. Nice supers and stuff just sitting there. And I think it's time to quit. I do. I don't know whether it'll be the same. I mean, whenever the honey flow gets coming on, I don't know whether that'll continue or not. But when you have situations like this where there's a hive that has plenty of honey, and then it just dies out over winter, or last couple years ago it was small hive beetles, and it was yellow jackets, and then they just plain starved out because of that. And I made splits and treated and done things like that, oxalic acid, and put in Aprivar, and yeah, I'm at a loss, and I'm not going to spend any more money buying bees or trying to make up for it, because, well, it's just too heartbreaking. So, yep, that's the way it is. Out here in the Blue Ridge Mountains of western North Carolina. A beautiful place. But obviously, I'm not doing that well with the bees. I got my fingers in the way, don't I? There, you can see a little more beauty. That red maple right there, bringing the pollen. But I don't know. You know, even if I had losses, I made honey, but wow, what cost?